guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video I am going to be doing a whole bunch of laundry and yeah, just a whole bunch of laundry. So let's get right into it. So here I am just I'm trying to separate laundry. All of it was like sitting in the chair over in the far back and also in the baby's crib, and I was trying to separate all of my clothes and fold all at the same time, especially before the baby went down for a nap, because he took a nap downstairs. So I was trying to get it all done before he even woke up. So when you guys do laundry, do you guys separate your laundry, or do you just put it in a pile and just fold it all together? I was trying to, I do it so many different ways. I separate the kids' clothes from our clothes. I separate the baby's clothes because I actually wash his clothes by itself. And then I separate me and my husband's clothes and separate all the towels and washcloths, all of the separation. Like I do that every time I do laundry. And if like probably you guys have noticed that since watching me, but I always fold my clothes. Well, I always separate my clothes and fold it that way. For me, it makes it a lot easier. Maybe just like the organization for me, it makes it a lot easier.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark?
Okay, so I never even showed me folding any of that clothes. It was literally me just separating it, and then I got a phone call, so I never even finished folding it on camera. But this is a couple days later. I am organizing like my top drawer and putting stuff in this drawer. I forgot that I even had it, and I found it in the kids' closet because this was once my daughter's dresser, and I took it and gave her a different dresser. So I forgot all about this top piece, and I'm organizing it. Honestly, I don't even like the way that I'm organizing it now. It's still that way, but I'm still not a fan of it, and I'm thinking about, excuse me, I'm thinking about changing it up again, because it seems really hectic. Like, it's a controlled hectic, if that makes any sense. And I really just don't enjoy it at all. So maybe I'll end up recording myself organizing it again, because yeah.
Who's breaking hearts? Who's breaking hearts?
Also in that black basket is a whole bunch of trash. If you've watched any of my videos, you know when I was pregnant, I had gestational diabetes. So I had like all of these, like, you know, the little prick thing, the little needle things. I had to get rid of those because I clearly don't need those anymore. And I had like a whole bunch of different heartburn medication because literally nothing was working when I was pregnant. So it was time to get rid of that. And there was just like a whole bunch of different trash. So that is literally a basket of trash. And we are here in the next day, and I have more laundry. I swear, you see that big old mountain of laundry in the back? Yeah, a whole bunch of laundry. I swear this was probably about like 5 different loads of laundry. So me and the kids are going to tackle all of this laundry and separate it and get everything folded. My son is folding up his clothes, I believe. I don't remember if I had him fold his sister's stuff. I'm not sure. My daughter, on the other hand, is folding up, what are those called? Those cloths. I can't even think of the name. Jesus. Yeah. But anyway, she's folding up those. And I am going to turn on some TV and fold the rest of this laundry. This is, man, it was so much laundry. And by the way, yes, I am talking a lot. I'm actually watching the video with you guys this time. I usually don't do that.
doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine.
Usually I edit all of this part out of me literally just going back and forth and putting the laundry away, because it's literally, the towels and washcloths are literally just outside of my bedroom. So I usually edit that part out, but I don't know, I'm trying to edit a little bit different and switch some stuff up. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do actually. So let me know what you guys want to see, what you like seeing, what you don't like seeing. And I can definitely try to do that for you guys in the future, for my future videos. I was going to put this video out on the 11th, but some things came up and I wasn't able to put this video out, so I'm happy to finally get this video out. I've been sitting on this video for a little bit, so I'm so excited that you guys get to see this video and really get some really good motivation out of this. I hope you guys really do enjoy this video so far. I know I've been talking a lot throughout this video, so let me know if you enjoy that as well. But yeah, let's keep on watching this video.
So let me down, trying to let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. We'll be alright. So let me down, rather we try to let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
Okay, so I am just making my bed up. I put out new sheets and I changed our comforter. I enjoyed the comforter, but not as much as the one that I have on now, which is also kind of a pain. I don't know. But I am actually going to leave you guys here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you leave a comment and let me know what you guys want to see. I am very interested and I will work on getting the videos the way you guys want them. So just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys next Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and peace.
And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me